Yeah, our topic today is about the minimal spanning tree problem, yeah, in operation research. So we try to understand first what is the problem in the minimal spanning tree and also the algorithm solving the problem using minimal spanning tree. The problem of the minimal spanning tree is emphasized on how to reach all nodes point in the network, so the total length of all branches of relationship between nodes is the minimum. I'll show you here. This is node from one place to another place, and this is the distance between one place to another place. So we would like to connect all nodes, just one line only, all are connected, and we should get the minimum total length of these networks. We use RC prime method, the algorithm of RC prime methods. This is the example. The Alan Fine, a real estate developer, is planning a rural water system for his project in one district. He needs to find the minimum range or length so that all villages can be connected to a clean water pipeline networks. This is the network of 6 villages from village 1 to village 3, 100 miles, from village 1 to village 6, 1,000 miles, something like that. So this is the problem. We would like to connect all of these 7 nodes. Only one node is connected with water pipeline, or are connected with the minimum length totally. The algorithm of MST operates by joining the nearest. So because we would like to find the minimum length, so we would like to connect the nearest from one node to another node. We will, of course, we should find first 2 connection and then step by step connecting each other. Okay, so this is the concept, and then what is the procedure? First, we should construct a table. So a simple table, 1 to 7 on column and 1 to 7 on row. This is column and row. Connecting node 1 to 1, of course, is 0. 2 to 0. All are here 0. Here 1 to 2, node 1 to 2, according to this networks, we put that on the table, right? And we indicate with M here is indicating there is no connection, or very last is numbers, very last number here. We put M here. All number here are indicating the range of the network from here. So this is the first step. Okay, then what should we need to do? Step 1, step 2, I mean, choose node 1. Node 1 is the source of water to start the algorithm. And then indicate row 1 here with X, then delete all numbers in the column 1. Choose, indicate X for row 1 and delete this. Okay. Then at this row 1, we need to find the smallest number and give mark on it, circle it. What is the small number here? On this row 1, 100 here. So connecting node 1 to connecting to connect to node 3 is the shortest one or the nearest one. So this is the first connection, the first solution. Connect 1 to 3 because it is the smallest. Then the table shows it is 100 miles, 1, 2, 3. And then next, step 3, similar as before, give a mark of X on row 3 because we have already here. And then we put mark here, X. Then delete all numbers of X, of all number on row, on column 3 here. Delete that. Now we need to find the smaller number on row 1 and row 3. We have already 2 not connected. Then because you would like where to connect node 1 and or 3 to another nodes. And then check where is the nearest from node 1 or from node 3. We will see 300 is the nearest one. And then we give circle there. So we have now 3, 1, 3, and 4. The next, of course, we need to find where should the pipe should go. Where the pipe should go after this step. Then we follow the same direction. We have already this row. Now 1 to 4 already connected. Give a mark on row 4 here. And then delete all numbers in row 4 except the circle one. And then find the smallest number from these 3 rows. Now we have 3 rows now. Either from 1, continue from 1, or from 3, or from 4. And then when we see here, 500 is the smallest. Oh, sorry, 400 is the smallest. The smallest with, amongst row 1, row 3, and 4 is 400. Then we need to connect 1 to 7, 400. We continue again, similar step. Now we have already 7 here. Keep a mark on 7, then delete all number on column 7. Give a mark and delete column 7. And find the smallest one from 1, 3, 4, 7. 500 is the smaller one among these 4 rows connecting node 3 to 5. Continue again because we had 5 here, right? Give mark on row 5 and then delete. Yeah. Find 200. Oh, sorry here. This should be 200. Circle 200 as the smallest. Should be 200. 200 as the smallest. Then step 7. Give mark on 6 and then delete 6. And then find the smallest among these what have already been given X mark here, except these two, right? And then we just compare between 900 and 1100. Connect 7 to 2 is the smallest. And now we have 7 to 2 as the 6th connection. The last is finalizing only. Give mark on 2 and delete whatever already at column 2. Now we have the final. We found the optimum 100 plus 300, 400, 500, 200, 900 is 2,400 miles. The final scheme networks here. So it's simple compared to what we discussed from PERT CPM. So it's the simple method to find the shortest or the minimum range, minimum length to connect nodes from this example, 7 nodes.